Welcome back to the tutorial series for the first person animation tool. In the next few videos we'll be creating some logic and animations for this particular scenario. We'll place the player character up here. We'll jump down from this edge, and while the player is falling we'll play some fall animation, and as soon as the player lands on the floor we'll play some landing animation. In this particular video, we'll be setting up the code side. It's not really related to how this plugin works, but we'll need the code anyways, so we'll do that in this video. Right, let's start by placing this guy up here already. Okay, let's rotate him, and there we go. Alright. So we're going to be doing a simple check every tick. So now how do we detect whether we're falling or not? Well, we can just use the character movement. It's got a particular value, get movement mode. There we go. And what we'll do is we'll do a sequence, and every tick we'll just check and verify what the previous mode was and compare it to that. So what we'll do is we'll do a switch on this guy. We'll add a variable called previous movement mode. We'll set that to initially be walking. Okay. And alright. So now what we're going to be doing is first check what mode we're in right now. If we're currently in the walking mode, okay, and previously we were not, well then we just changed our state. If we are on walking now and previously we were not walking, then we changed our state. Okay, what are we going to do here then? Well, we're going to do a do once something, and what we're going to do, well, we're going to specify that in an event down here. Add custom event on start falling. And also, let's assume that we start falling when we change this state. It might be that we were not in the falling state. Maybe we were swimming or something, and then now we're walking. But we'll just ignore that. Right, so on start falling. Maybe it would help if I were able to spell properly. There we go. Compile, save. And now we'll apply the same logic for starting to land on the floor. So if we're falling now, and previously we've not been falling, well then we just landed on the floor. On land floor. There we go. On land, land floor. There we go. Also, we're going to reset this do once, and we're going to reset this do once. There we go. Compile, save. Now, for debugging purposes, let's print a message. Fall, land. There we go. Compile, save, play. Fall, oh. Other way around, hang on. Does this make sense? Yes, of course. Yes, of course it does. Need to do this and that and swap them out. Yeah, it makes sense the other way around. If you're walking now, right now you're walking, then we just landed on the floor. And if we're falling right now, right, then we're falling now. obviously. Alright, so that's the code. In the future video, what we'll do... Actually, let's do that now. We can do that now, to be honest. We're just going to play the animation here. Play animation by name. We'll use ourselves as for actor, self, and we'll call it falling, and the other animation we will call landing. There we go. Right, in the next video we'll just create the falling and the landing animations, and then we'll set up animation blending. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.